What's up guys, you all are welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're going to learn how to use one hand mode on Samsung phone. On the Samsung phone, one hand mode is a kind of feature on the Samsung whereby you can be able to wrap your screen around just a particular region of your phone. Most people use this one hand mode if they're having issues with the touch on some parts of their phone, or maybe if their phone is cracked and some areas of the phone has this blue ink on it, so maybe they have limited access to those areas of the phone on touch, or maybe they can't actually view those regions of the phone. So this one hand mode becomes very, very important. So for us to be able to enable this one hand mode, the first thing we have to head over to the menu section, and then we look for settings. So we have the settings up here, we have the settings icon here, so we click on it and then we look for advanced mode. That's under the advanced feature. So you look for advanced feature, which we have here. So you click on advanced features. Now when you click on advanced feature, we have a lot of options here, so we look for one hand mode. So we toggle it on here and then we can use one hand mode. Now this is how the one hand mode work. Now if we go back to the to our main screen, if we're using the button navigation on our phone, then if you notice we have the minimizing button here at this part, so you may just have to click it 3 times and then you get to the one hand mode. But since we are not using that, so we just use this small region on our phone to enable that. So this is how you do it when you are on swipe navigation or on swipe gesture mode. You just swipe down like this and then you are on the one hand mode. So you, for some reasons, you may want to maybe shift it, adjust it. You can simply click here to bring it to the left, to the right, or you click here to bring it to the left. So for example, if this region of your phone, the top part, if the up part is not accessible, then you can easily access your phone from here and do whatever you want to do from here, and you have full access to your phone freely and easy. It's as easy as that. You see it now, right? Very, 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 very easy. So I want to believe this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please do it to like and subscribe, and if you want to get more content I create later, just hit on the notification bell. Just before we round up, I forgot to, so if you want to take to the full screen mode back, you just do the same thing and get this. So thanks and do have a nice day.